Hello everyone. Alright, so my name is Ikenjika Anyeboy and I'm the founder of Jonah Details. It's been a while I came here and I'm here because I've gotten quite a number of requests asking me how to get more views on TikTok and Reels. Okay, now there's something people don't talk about quite often or as much as I would have loved them to, and that's using trending sounds on TikTok. Now everything I'm talking about in TikTok also applies in Reels. Now on TikTok, just make sure that you go to discover. There is this discover icon beneath your screen. Go there and click on discover. You're going to see trending sounds, yes, and you're also going to see trending hashtags. Now how do you know when a sound is going to trend, even if you don't know? All right, so this particular thing might not concern you because all you're interested in is just to get more views on TikTok. Now how you're going to know if a sound is going to trend on TikTok is if it has more than 5,000 sounds. There is a high chance of that sound trending. Now if you don't have that time, skip this tip. It does not matter to you, it matters to some other people. Now there is also a particular place on that discover that has a hashtag. Like, why don't people know about this? I don't know. Yes, TikTok uses hashtags. So if you've not uploading videos without hashtags, you are wrong. You need to change the narrative now. Now on Reels, this particularly everything I'm saying here applies to you, but what Reels does not have, you don't have the discover. What they have is the explore. So what you're going to do now is any sound that trends on TikTok, it's going to trend on Reels, but it's going to be much later. So what you're going to do now is anytime you make a post on TikTok, let it chill, leave it there, don't delete it. You could as well as take it to Reels immediately to post it, or you could wait for that sound to start trending on Reels before you post it. But I have come to realize that any sound that trends on TikTok definitely trends on Reels. Okay, so now this is like the major factor that has to do with your videos on TikTok or Reels getting more views. And I hope this helps you. Now about the TikTok watermark that a quite number of people have been complaining about, there is a solution for that. Check the link in my bio to get the hack. I made the post on my Instagram page, so I'm going to be putting the link in the description below. So thank you for watching, and let me know if you have some other major issues that you would like me to talk about. Okay, thank you guys, bye bye.